To clean your Willo AutoFlo Plus, you need the Willo cleaning bottle, the attached cleaning plug, and a bottle of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Remove the Willo liquid toothpaste bottle by pulling the bottle from the bottom. Prepare the cleaning bottle. Pour 3% hydrogen peroxide into the cleaning bottle above the minimum fill line. Put the cap back on and insert the cleaning bottle top first, then snap the bottom into place. Remove the water tank and empty any remaining water. Fill with 3% hydrogen peroxide up to the 40 milliliter fill line. Reinstall the water tank. Remove the OptiClean brush head and lip rest from the handle and secure the cleaning plug in their place. The Willo logo on the plug will be on the same side as the handle button. Place the handle on the hook. Now, position the drain hose in the sink. Press and hold the top display button for 3 seconds to enter cleaning mode. The display will pulse purple, showing that it's ready for the cleaning cycle. When you're ready, press the top display button again to start the cleaning cycle. Remember, you can't exit the cleaning cycle once it begins, so be sure you're ready. Check that the cleaning bottle, water tank, and plug are in place before starting the cleaning cycle. The cleaning cycle will take 15 minutes, and the arches will show progress. When it's done, Willo will chime, and the display will pulse blue. Now it's time to rinse and prime your Willo. Remove the water tank, rinse, and refill with fresh water. Remove the cleaning bottle, bottom first, leaving the cleaning plug in the handle for now. Reinsert the Willo liquid toothpaste. Double-check that the drain hose is still pointing into the sink. Press the top display button to start the final rinse and prime. After 2 minutes, the arches will fill blue and the device will chime. Remove and store the cleaning plug. Reinstall the lip rest and OptiClean brush head. Your Willo is now clean and ready to use.